how to make real money online if you're a gamer. I'm gonna be going over 3 ways you can do this, and I'm gonna be showing you some stuff on my computer here of exactly where to go to start earning that real dollars. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make real money playing online games, and I'm gonna show you 3 different ways that you can make real money playing online games. Number 1 is with ads. Number 2, I'm gonna show you a few methods actually how to do number 2, which is sponsorships. And in just a second here, I'm gonna be going over everything on my computer, okay? So, and number 3 is with your own products. Now, a little bit about me. I am a online entrepreneur. I've been doing this for years. My company makes around $5 million a year. And while I don't personally make money with online games, my brother does. And I'm gonna show you one of the ways he does right in a second here. So let's go to my computer and go over some of the ways that you can make real money playing online games. It's actually pretty cool. So the first method of making real money playing online games is with ads and Twitch TV. I mean, if you're playing games, you know Twitch, okay? Everybody's using Twitch, Overwatch for the win, right? So go on Twitch, you start a channel, you start live streaming, and you can make money with ads. You know, again, it's based on the number of viewers and all that jazz. You have to have a certain number of viewers, but you can build yourself up really big, and it doesn't cost much money to do this. I mean, here we have, you know, 126,000 viewers right now on, you know, GDQ. 58, I mean, there's just an insane number of viewers. Ninja has 58,000 viewers. I mean, Ninja makes insane amounts of money. And it doesn't, I thought he was the biggest. He's not even the biggest. So that's one way. Sign up for Twitch, play ads, stream yourself, etc. Obvious. The other way is making money with sponsorships. Now, a few ways you can do sponsorships are you can actually have your own subscribers or followers pay you, sponsor you to follow you. So that's a real good option, and I'll show you that on YouTube in a second. Now, the second way you can have sponsorships done is you can actually have brands sponsor you through working with an MCN. An MCN is a multi-channel network, and what that means is it's a YouTube network or a Twitch network. They work with a lot of people in your category. Let's say you're a gamer, they'll work with a lot of other maybe Overwatch gamers, and they'll find companies that want to sponsor the whole group of you. So this is really effective if you don't have a lot of people that watch your channel, because what an MCN does is they take, you know, 100 small Overwatch channels, and they'll say, hey, you know, they'll go to a big brand. They'll say, you know, like, Razer, which is, you know, a gaming mouse company. They'll say, hey, Razer, we can bring you 100,000 viewers, but it's over 100 channels that only have about 1,000 viewers each. And Razer will say, cool, I'm only interested in sponsoring if there's a lot of viewers, so that works out. And the third type of sponsorship, if you're a gamer, is actually just going to brands yourself and creating your own direct deal. Now, if you can get a direct deal with a company, usually you're gonna make the most money. I mean, again, to do something like this, usually you have to have a little bit of ability to negotiate and some business skills. But if you're trying to make really big money, creating a direct deal with a big, whatever it is, gaming company or game house can make you, you know, millions of dollars. So let's look at my computer. I'm on YouTube right here, and as you'll see, if you're in Creator Studio, and you have to be logged into YouTube to do this, you would go to Creator Studio, and under Community and Channel Memberships, you'll see it says Build a Business on YouTube, and you can have people pay you $5 a month to sponsor your channel. So you can imagine if you get 100 people sponsoring your channel, you're gonna get $500 a month. If you can get 500 people sponsoring your channel, you'll get, you know, $2,500 a month. So obviously this can grow. The more subscribers you have, the more followers you have that sponsor you, the more money you make. And you can give them special perks. You can give them a lot of special content to make it worth their while and really create that tribal membership. Now here's Machinima. Machinima is an example of a multi-channel network, okay? And Machinima works with a lot of big gamers. Okay, they're probably the top dog in of the MCNs that work with gamers. And you can check out some of their talent right here. You know, QGB. You have all these tons of big gamers here, and they work with a ton of huge brands. And the third way I talked about that making money as a gamer is starting your own product. And a really easy way, an example of starting your own product is like Jake Paul started Mavericks. Jake Paul's a really big YouTuber. He's not a gamer, but he started his own clothing line called Maverick. Okay, and it's just a symbol of this like eagle, and it's, you know, he's like, be a maverick, bro. But you can create your own designs really easily. You just find some cool images, or you write some funny words, and you can create a product. See, it says start designing. So you can just click start designing, and you can create whatever shirts you want. And generally speaking, you will get, you know, the shirts cost like $4 or $5, and you can sell them for $20. So you pocket like $15 or whatever for a t-shirt. So you could sell clothing to your audience, and it's make a lot of money. You know, Jake Paul makes millions of dollars a month selling his Maverick clothes. So whatever it is you want to do, you can do it. And it's very easy to make real money as a gamer. Again, it always starts with building that audience. Always starts with building that audience. A good rule of thumb is about $1 per year per subscriber, okay? Or per follower, whatever it is on Twitch. On YouTube, if you have 1 million subscribers, you can reasonably expect to make, or you should be making, about $1 per subscriber. If you have 100,000 subscribers, you should be making about $100,000 a year. Okay, so it varies, but those are about the numbers. So really everything is based off of grow your subscriber base, grow your fan following, and you will make more money. So hope that's been helpful. So let me know, we talked about a couple different ways of making money as a gamer. Let me know in the comments what you found was the most interesting to you, or what kind of hit the home, you know, ads, sponsorships, or products. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you want more tips and also some free giveaways on how to make money online. That's what I teach, that's what I do.